Hi, okay, so for today, we're going to go over 1.R.1, Introduction to Whole Numbers. Our first problem is going to be write 744,618 in like the new standard notation. So we have 744,000, comma, 618. When you plug it into Hawks, be sure to add the comma. It's picky during this section. Sometimes it can help to read it backwards as well. So we have 18, so 18, and then 600, and then 44,000, so it's going to be 44, and then it'll be 7. Yeah, I don't know if there's much else to say regarding this. If you have any questions, please just let me know. The next problem is a little bit more tricky. It's going to be, so write the whole number as its English word equivalent. Usually the best thing to do is to read the problem in the beginning, obviously. So having done that, we have our 300. There doesn't need to be a dash. 100. Sometimes I have problems with spelling. There doesn't need to be a dash between the 3 or the 100. 360 dash 5. 60 dash 5,000. Comma, you basically put a comma when they have one, comma, 194. Oops. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Dash 4. Hawks is picky about number 1, the commas, and the hyphens. When you have a hyphen, it's going to be when you have like anything above 20, so like 21 to 99, which will be 21 and 90 dash 9. And then they want the commas where they put it, which is basically after 3 digits, give or take, moving from the right. I don't know if it covers this. I don't think it does. But if it was something like 487 decimal point 075, to figure out the written word of this, we start with our 400, so 400, 80, 7, hyphen 7, and then for decimal points you do and then you want to count the place that it's in. So this is the tenths place. This is the hundredths. And this is the thousandths. And so on. Let me think about this. 75 thousandths. Hyphen 5. Yeah, that concludes the video. Good luck on your homework. And yeah, hopefully I explained it well enough for you. Have a good one. See ya.